Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. It's your girl Vaughn, and today it's Sunday, and we are about to have a very productive Sunday day. To help myself get into that productive mindset and mood, I'm literally getting ready for the day, starting off with some skincare using the Garnier Green Labs Pore Perfecting 3-in-1. I haven't used this in a while, and I usually like to use it as like a quick morning face mask because it has a cooling effect, but did not do that this morning. Just went ahead and used it as a regular cleanser, but it still does have that cooling effect as you rub it into the skin and work it all up. So I brushed my teeth and then I went into the rest of my skincare, which is pretty much dermatologist recommended and prescribed, which includes these two products for my retinoid dermatitis, and then of course my tretinoin as my continued care for my acne prone skin. Following all of that up with some SPF, because even though we are indoors, those windows still allow that UVA and B light on the inside, so protecting my skin. And then of course making sure those lips stay moist and hydrated all day with the Tatcha Kiss You lip mask. Honestly, I'm washing my hair today, so that's really not part of it. Went ahead and put on my clothes, which was this workout set, because of course I'm on my fitness journey situationship. So if you stay ready, you don't gotta get ready, and that's why I literally put that on. So I made my morning tea, had my vitamins, and put on some YouTube and got straight to work. First up is this load of clothes that needed to be folded and put away. Alright, so moving on to this little corner, as you can see, it is a hot mess. This will be the Sunday after Carnival, Monday and Tuesday, and all the makeup brushes that I use to do makeup have literally still just been chilling out here. So we're cleaning up the area, washing these makeup brushes because it has been time. It's been about time. What I used to wash my brushes would be any dish soap that's around, which would usually have some antibacterial factor in it. And then I put a little bit of olive oil in it to condition and to keep the hairs on the brushes moisturized. I don't have one of those like scrubby things, so I literally just use my hand. Was in the mood for a little iced coffee, so I'm making one for myself in this pretty glass that I got from Mood Alive. My iced coffee making situations are always pretty simple in my opinion. Just some basic coffee, some caramel syrup, some water, mix that all up, some ice, and then I put in my almond milk, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so back to work. Now I am cleaning my nail tray. That is also a hot mess, but it just really needed to be done, and I had some things to organize as well from my Shein haul that I've just never really put away and put into place, so I'm gonna also be doing that. So that's done and dusted. Moving back into the kitchen to put away some dishes. And then we have more laundry. The laundry doesn't stop. So more laundry, clothes washing, clothes drying. So this load of clothes is done drying. Again, time to fold and put away. Taking a quick break just to cook some lunch. Moving into this bathroom. Again, it's been like this for a good while. Gotta clean it up. And then this room has been a hot mess since time began. This is really the mission of the day, but yeah, I don't know. It's getting later on in the day, and it's time for my workout because I don't want to push it too late on, and I have to wash my hair, so I want to get this done before I do that. There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we go. 5, 4, together, well done. Together. In 9, 8, 7, well done. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Feel your glutes. Alright, workout is done. Now it's time to get started with this hair. First off, I'm doing my ACV rinse on my scalp. I do have seborrheic dermatitis, and my scalp, I don't think I've washed my hair for the past 2 weeks. So I went ahead and applied the ACV to my scalp, put my hair up, and then went out for my evening walk because I have to make up my 10K steps. It's all part of the fitness journey. once that's finished, came back, I went ahead, washed my hair, had some food because I was hungry by this point. And well, you guys have seen me wash my hair quite often, so it's really not that big of a deal. But yeah, the rest of the evening just continued, and I'm now taking down my rollers. My hair is complete, thank God. And look at how good it looks. So I'm pretty much winding down for the night now. Just gonna make myself a little hot chocolate and chill for the evening. Thanks so much for watching this video. Today was pretty productive. Lots of clothes washed, lots of places in the house cleaned, me cleaned, fitness and exercise done. That's what we like to see. But you see this room? This room is just gonna have to wait for another day. Thanks for watching. Bye.